So this sofa represents the frequency range. And you see a lot of different type of cats. We have a bass cat, vocal cat, synth cat, and they're all as a one big pile on the sofa. But as much as it is cute, it's actually not practical for music production, because this is what we call muddy. So it means that all these signals are using the same frequencies, muddling them all up together. So we can't hear them separately that well. It's also called frequency masking. That's another word for it. So now what we need to actually do is to give them their right place in the frequency range. So example, bass low end, synth mid, and vocals in the high frequencies. Okay, now this is going to be demonstrated in Ableton Live, but this is the same thing in every single DAW. If we have a keyboard here, let's record in the same tone a vocal. Okay, now you can see that I've doubled the synthesizer. I've also doubled the vocals. Hear what happens to the vocals when I bring this oscillator up. We can't hear them. We can kinda hear them on the background, but not that well. It's because now this synth is bringing even more frequencies in that area. So basically everything that is happening, it's cancelling these out. It's not even volume, it's literally the frequencies are cancelling each other out. That's why when you start producing, you need to make sure that you are choosing sounds. So if we remove that one example and take this vocal and make it octave lower, we need to choose samples that are higher or lower from each other to occupy different areas in the frequencies. That sounded so much more separate. I can hear the chords separately from the two vocals. One vocal is higher, one vocal is lower. That's kind of nice though. Very spooky and dreamy. Hey, if you want to learn more, check out my all Ableton Live and Push courses from my website. Thank you so much for being here. Subscribe and come back again. Bye.